How to change snooze time on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the clock application on your phone. Once you're here, tap on the plus icon on the top right corner to create a new alarm. Here, scroll through the time options to set it according to your preference. Once done, disable snooze from the options below and tap on save on the top right corner. After that, tap on the plus icon on the top right again. In the same way, set your time, but this time, I'll set it 10 minutes later. Now, disable the snooze option and tap on save on the top right corner. As you can see, we have now set the alarm with a snooze time of our preference. This way, you can add as many alarms as you want at your desired intervals, giving you the ability to change your snooze time manually. Following these steps, you can easily change snooze time on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.